One of the most important parts of trap shooting is your equipment, as you can see here. The most important part of your equipment is your shotgun. There's three main types. This here is a pump shotgun. That means you pump the action to close it and load a shell. The next type is a semi-automatic shotgun, like this one. With the push of a button, you can close the action, which loads a shell, and then the action opens once fired to load another shell automatically. The third is a break action shotgun. This gun simply breaks open, you load a shell, and close it. Almost as important as your shotgun is what you shoot out of the gun. This is a shotgun shell. It's a plastic hull with gunpowder and small metal balls similar to BBs. This is a 12 gauge shell. It's the most common type of shell used in trap shooting because it's the largest sporting round. This is a 20 gauge shell. It's a little smaller and commonly used, but not as common as the 12 gauge. This is a 410 shell. It's measured by bore, not gauge, and it's very rarely used in the sport of trap shooting. There is some other miscellaneous equipment that you need to use in this sport. First is eye protection. Sunglasses and other tinted glasses usually work best. Second is ear protection. You never shoot without eye and ear protection on. It's very dangerous. Third is a bag or vest to carry your shells in. This is just for convenience, so you don't have to set your shells on the ground. Now that we have our equipment ready to go, it's time to shoot some trap. This is a trap field here. To shoot a round of trap, it consists of 25 shots per person. The person on the far left starts shooting. He takes one shot, and the person to the right of him takes their shot. This continues until it gets to the far right, and then the first person to shoot starts over again. Once each person has shot 5 shots, they rotate to the next station. The group keeps rotating stations until each person has shot on every station, which gives them 25 shots per person. Your score in trap is based on if you hit or miss a target. Any hit, no matter if you completely break the target or just chip it, is considered a hit. Your score is how many hits out of 25 targets you get. Now that we've shot around a trap, it's time to clean the gun. A clean gun ensures that your gun will last a long time and not jam. What you need is some cloth, a cleaning rod, a wire brush attachment, some gunpowder solvent, some gun oil, and of course, your gun. We're going to start by taking the gun apart. All you have to do is, on this gun, undo the nut that holds the barrel on, twist the barrel, pull it off. There you go. You're done. I'm going to start cleaning this gun by taking some cloth, putting it through the eyelet of the cleaning rod, putting some gunpowder solvent on it. This will help get rid of any big deposits I have on the inside of my barrel. I'll take this rod and run it through the barrel just to coat it with gunpowder solvent. After that's done, I'm going to put the wire brush attachment on my rod and run it through the barrel. This will help take off anything that's caked on the side walls of the barrel. Just roughs it up, takes everything off. After I do that, I'm going to put the eyelet back on, take some more cloth, and run it through with oil, probably about 2 times. Now, all we have to do is spray the inside of the gun with oil and take a rag and really scrub it out. You want to get any of the gunpowder out of the inside, stick your fingers in there, rub it around the cracks, get any of the gunpowder out. You really want to clean the action really good because that's the part that'll get gummed up and that's what'll cause any jams to happen. Now that the inside of the gun's all clean, all that's left to do is put it back together. You put it back together, same way you took it apart. And now we're ready to rock and roll.